Assalamu alaikum students of class 8th. There is a topic of punctuation in your language portion. First of all, write down the definition. Define punctuation. Punctuation are indicator, marks are indicator that are used in written text to separate sentences or part of sentence from another. Kind of punctuation: full stop, to make the end of a declarative or an imperative sentence, to separate the date from the year, after certain abbreviation of name, titles, degrees. Second is question mark. At the end of questions such as direct questions, rhetorical questions or question tags, etc. Number third is exclamation. At the end of exclamation, to express your joy, praise, wonder, sorrows. So class first punctuation mark is full stop. फुल स्टॉप हम यूजुअली जब सेंटेंस ख़त्म होता है तो एक डॉट लगाते हैं, वो हमारा फुल स्टॉप होता है. एक डॉट को हम जब अपना सेंटेंस एक कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं तो एक डॉट लगाते हैं सेंटेंस के, ताकि दूसरा सेंटेंस स्टार्ट होने से पहले उसको हम डिफ्रेंशिएट कर सकें. सेकंड वर्ड है सेकंड मार्क है क्वेश्चन मार्क. क्वेश्चन मार्क जब भी हम किसी से कोई क्वेश्चन, व्हेन वी आस्क क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम अदर्स वी विल इंक्वायर्ड, हम पूछने की हैसियत से उसे पूछते हैं कि, तो दैट्स वाई वी आर यूजिंग क्वेश्चन मार्क. ओके. एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क. Exclamation mark is just like I in inverted position. I को आप उल्टा करके देखें तो exclamation mark बन जाएगा. ठीक है. It can be used when you are expressing your joy, happiness, sorrow, praise. जब कभी हम किसी beauty of nature की तारीफ़ करते हैं तो कहते हैं what a joy, what a beautiful scenery it is. और जब हम किसी सैडनेस की बात करते हैं, व्हेन वी आर हैविंग द फीलिंग ऑफ सैडनेस, तो हम कहते हैं अलास योर मदर इज़ इल और यू हैव नॉट क्लियर योर एग्ज़ाम. इन दैट वे वी आर एडिंग आवर फीलिंग इन दिस by expressing it with this mark. Okay. Hurrah is the sign of exclamation for joyness, and alas is also be used for sadness. Now next is comma. Comma is used to separate more than two words in a series, to separate words, pair of words, phrases and clauses, to indicate a word or a group of word in a position, to separate the words yes or no from the rest of a sentence, to separate the month, the year or the date and the year. In letter, after solution, salutation, complimentary clause, to separate question tags. So comma is usually used in a sentence when we are having surplus things. जब बहुत सारी चीज़ों का हम जिक्र करते हैं, we are using comma, comma, comma in between the words or a pair of words. Okay. Semicolon. Semicolon is used when a greater pause is required, that is indicated by the comma. It is also used to separate the clause of compound sentence when they contain comma. For example, he was a brave, comma, large-hearted, and then sign of semicolon is there. We all honored him. So all there the person having two qualities are brave and large-hearted. So after that we have put this punctuation mark, that is semicolon, to separate the clause of a compound sentence. It is a compound sentence. Okay. Colon. Colon is used to introduce a quotation or a speech, to introduce a list after phrases. Example, read the following. हम कहते हैं read the following passage and answer the given question. Sign of colon. Okay. So and colon and semicolon can also be used in the application or letter writing also. Dash. It is used before or after a list to mark a break in a sentence. When we are having a continuation, we are putting, if a line is completed, then we are continuing our sentence, so we are using this word dash. Then we are having hyphen. It is used, it is a formation of a compound words. ये compound sentences के साथ use होता है with certain prefixes. Example, re-entry, re-entry. Then vice chancellor, vice and chancellor. With number of example, for example with numbers 35, it's a numeric value written in numbers, so 30, then hyphen, then 5. Quotation mark to enclose a quotation. It is used in direct speech to enclose title of films or books, etc. Then we are having apostrophe. Apostrophe is used to show our possession, and we are showing our time and distance, to show omission of some letter during contraction, when we are having contraction form in a sentence, or we are using in imperative sentence as well, to form plural in some cases also. The most important is the capital letter. Capital letter to begin the first word of a sentence, to begin the first word of every line of a verse, to begin the first word of direct speech, and it is also be used with the proper nouns and proper adjectives. For the names of days, months, religion, institution, historical buildings, names of books, newspapers, journals for abbreviation. For the names of festival, historical events, for the pronouns. So student of class 8, this is the lecture regarding with the topic punctuation. I have provided you the notes as well as explained you with the slides going on. Okay, so student, what you have to do, you have to just complete this work in your language copies, and after that I will provide you the exercises regarding it. Okay students, stay blessed and stay healthy.